This is a KGUN9 Now news update.
Thanks for joining us. I'm Taja Davis. A day of action showing support for Alabama Amazon workers fighting to unionize. The Pima Area Labor Federation held a picket rally at the Whole Foods on Speedway Saturday morning. Whole Foods is, of course, owned by Amazon. Now, the rally isn't just about Alabama. The chair of the Labor Federation says that Amazon is one of the most profitable companies, yet workers face poor conditions. Here was the goal of the picket.
What we'd like to see happen is them to hold free and fair elections, that they be able to have their own determination as to whether or not they want to organize and form a union without the interference of a corporation like Amazon.
There were more than 50 actions across the country Saturday in support of the workers in Alabama. And it's feeling like spring in the 7-day forecast. A system to the north cools us down into the 70s Sunday with a breezy afternoon. We're in the low 70s after that for a few days, and on Tuesday the winds pick up again and there could be a few showers in the area, especially east and north of Tucson.